Thank you for buying this 15301 roofing repair tape from Fixture Displays. This roll of tape is a very handy tool to get your roof leak stopped quickly. The tape measures 4 inches wide. This roll is about 33 feet long. It comes with a very aggressive adhesive in the back and super reflective silver coating on the top. This will last years to come, and you can optionally paint or coat it once you finish installing, or you can leave that as is. It has fairly good property to resist the sunlight and UV lights. The thickness of the material is about 1 millimeter thick. Each roll weighs about 4 pounds. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixuredisplays.com. Now, to apply the fix, you want to wipe off the surface area thoroughly. Clean any dirt. And this particular crack is on concrete. You want to wait until it's dry before you apply it. You want to peel off the release liner. If you are working on a long strip, you will peel as you apply. That makes it easier to manage versus you peel, let's say 20 feet, then handling the adhesives on the other side becomes difficult. This does not require torch down or any sort of heat. You just need clean surfaces and dry surface to apply. And this material is fairly easy to cut with a pair of scissors or a box cutter. And certainly when you cut this on your roof, make sure you have a wood surface or some other surface to take the knife blade versus cutting on your roof directly. That may cause further damages, which some of my employees have done so before. You want to avoid that. Any questions, email us cs@fixuredisplays.com. Thank you.